How to enable Beast Mode on iPhone. Today's guide is all about unlocking Beast Mode on your iPhone, giving you a powerful mix of better battery life, faster performance, and no loss of important smartphone features. First, start with Background App Refresh. It's one of the biggest hidden battery drains. Go to Settings, then General, and find Background App Refresh. Turn it off for all apps. Your notifications will still come through, but apps won't silently drain your battery while running in the background. Next, cut down unnecessary location tracking. Head to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services and Tap System Services. Scroll down and turn off significant locations. Improve location accuracy, iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, and improve maps. Each of these constantly sends out location data, draining your battery without you even noticing. Another quick win: limit how much analytics your iPhone sends to Apple. In Settings, under Privacy and Security, find Analytics and Improvements, and turn off every toggle you see, including Share iPhone Analytics and Improve Siri and Dictation. Less background chatter means more battery life. Now, to improve Wi-Fi stability and save battery, disable Wi-Fi Assist. Go to Settings, Cellular, and find Wi-Fi Assist. Turn it off. This stops your phone from flipping back and forth between Wi-Fi and cellular networks, which burns more energy than you'd think. If you're using an always-on display, it's worth tweaking it. Under Settings, then Display and Brightness, tap Always-on Display, and disable Show Wallpaper and Show Notifications. Or just turn Always-on Display off completely if you don't really use it. Either way, you'll get noticeable battery savings. Another sneaky setting is keyboard haptics. Even though the little vibrations feel nice, they drain your battery fast. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Keyboard Feedback, and set it to sound only, turning off haptics completely. Finally, if you rarely use voice-activated Siri, disable it to save even more battery. Go to Settings, Siri, and Search, and turn off Listen for Hey Siri. You can still activate Siri by pressing the side button when you actually need it. No constant listening required. And that's it. Beast Mode successfully enabled. You'll have longer battery life, better speed, and no major compromises. Try out these settings and see the difference for yourself. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.